This is a civil danger warning for your area. There is a man wearing a dark red ski mask and shirt, and black pants. His skin was black as tar, he is skinny, and his eyes are black and had dark red pupils. Lock all doors and
Hello, thank you for calling the EAS station. How may I help you today?
I would like to report something. Is the alert a hoax or something else? Or is it real?
Oh, there was a hoax, I think. The person did not exist, and I think the civil danger warning and the emergency action notification was a false alarm. We sent out a civil emergency message. The CEM means that there was a false alarm for this time.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for reporting it to the EAS station. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, bye.